Hi friends, and welcome back. And if you're stopping by for the first time, welcome to my happy home. My name is Arelis. In today's video I'm sharing with you a very simple and quick DIY. Now if you want to see how I created these super cute Christmas trees, then keep on watching.
Welcome to my happy home, where I bring you DIYs, hauls, home decor, thrifting and much more on a budget. If you're interested in these types of videos, then please like, comment and subscribe. If you know me, I like doing things on a budget. For this project I didn't go out and purchase anything. I just used items that I have around my home. And these are some of the items that I'm going to be using for this simple DIY. I'm first starting off by measuring the piece of fabric that I'm going to be needing for my Christmas trees. And I'm doing that with this piece of cardboard that I'm going to be using to cut out the shape of my Christmas trees. Since I'm going to be making 2 Christmas trees, I am going to need 4 pieces of fabric in total. I'm going to be using this piece of cardboard on which I am going to draw a triangle shape that will serve as a template for the shape of my Christmas trees. And now I am tracing out the template on all 4 pieces of the fabric by using a piece of chalk. The next step is to glue down the 2 longer sides of the triangle, leaving the bottom side open because we're going to need that to fill up the Christmas tree. And this is what they are going to look like, and I did go ahead and iron the seams so that they are nice and flat. And for the filling I am using a piece of snow blanket, but you can also use some fiber fill or whatever you have at hand. And you can use as much or as little as you like. I don't want it to be all puffy, so I am just using a little bit. And since I don't like to waste, I am using the excess pieces that I cut off as well. And this part is a little bit tricky. I'm going to glue down the 2 ends of the triangle, leaving the middle part open because we're still going to need to attach the stem of the Christmas tree. And you guys, I have burned myself several times doing this, so be very careful while using a hot glue gun. Before I attach the stem to the Christmas tree, I am going to be making a stand for my Christmas trees. And for that I am using these 2 wheels. I got these with some storage containers, and I just saved them for some future projects. And what I'm doing now is I'm cutting off some pieces of cardboard to make the wheels a bit sturdier so that I can attach them more easily to the stem later on. Now as you can see, the wheels had a hole in the middle, and that really comes in handy for this project because that hole I'm going to be using to attach my stem of the Christmas tree. Next I am going to cover the wheels up in burlap to make them look a little bit more rustic. I wanted to embellish the stand a little more and give it that pop of red, so I'm using this twine thick decorative rope, and I'm going to just wrap it around the wheel. For the stem of my Christmas trees, I am using this piece of twig that I found in my backyard. And now that I have my stem in place, I can go ahead and glue down the rest of the Christmas tree. Now I had this pack of jingle bells in gold and silver, and they had different sizes in the bag, and I am just going to check which size would fit better on my Christmas tree, and I decided to go with the medium size in silver, and I'm just using a regular needle and thread to sew the jingle bell to my Christmas tree. And this is how they turned out, and I am so loving the end result. And this was such a simple and fun DIY, and as I told you, I didn't go out and buy anything. I had all this stuff around my home, so you can make a very simple, easy DIY on a budget. I hope that I could have given you some inspiration to create some of your own. So I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next one really soon. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Until the next one, remember to always live, laugh and love. Bye guys!